In just 7 days, this channel pulled in 87 million views. And when I looked at the total views, the number was so massive I literally couldn't even read all the digits. And their estimated monthly earnings? Around $988.2K. Massive earnings. Now, this is a cartoon channel that creates incredibly engaging and meaningful stories for kids. They produce both long-form videos and short videos. They've built their own unique characters. For example, there's a baby toddler character, around 6 to 8 months old. Then there's a puppy character. There's also a panda character. Overall, they've created about 4 to 5 different characters. And look at their shorts performance: 6 million, 45 million, 31 million views. They're using the same characters consistently across all videos. These are English cartoon and story-based videos. Today, I'm going to teach you the complete method to create these kinds of viral short videos. And if you want to learn long videos too, drop a comment below. Before we start, if you're new to this channel, make sure you subscribe for knowledge and support. Like the video and share it so others can benefit too. To make this process easy for you, I've created a powerful master prompt. You just need to input a few values, and with one click, you'll get everything done. Go to my video description, you'll find a link to my website page. At the top, you'll see a thumbnail example for the kind of videos you'll create. Scroll down, you'll find a single master prompt. Copy it. Now go to Google and search for Grok, or you can also use Claude. Both give great results. Paste the prompt into the chat box and hit enter. Boom, you'll instantly get 10 video ideas with small descriptions. Read through them and pick the one you like. Then enter that idea number in the prompt box. But remember, this prompt is not like my usual ones. You'll need to answer a few extra questions, so follow carefully. Let's say you like idea number 7. Type 7 and hit enter. Now you'll get a full story generated, about 2.5 minutes long, perfect for shorts. Before generating voiceover, the system will ask, do you want character prompts? You must create your characters first. Once you create them, you'll use the same characters across your entire channel. Type yes and hit enter. Now character prompts will be generated. You'll get 4 main characters: baby panda, baby elephant, puppy, and baby kid. Your entire channel will revolve around these 4 characters. Next, it will ask if you want image and motion prompts. Type yes again. Now, in the same chat, you'll get detailed image prompts and motion prompts for each scene. The AI will automatically break your story into scenes, around 18 scenes for a 2-minute video. Each scene includes image prompt for creating the picture, motion prompt to convert image into video. Now, copy your story from Grok. Go to Google and search Google AI Studio. Open it and click on Text to Speech. Select the model and enable single speaker audio. Now for style instructions, delete the default text. Go back to my page and copy the 3 to 4 lines of voice instructions provided under the prompt. Paste them into the style instruction box. Now paste your story into the text box. On the right, select the better voice option. Click Run and your voiceover will be generated instantly. Download it using the 3-dot menu. Now go back to Grok and copy the first character prompt. Search Whisk AI on Google and open it. Paste the prompt into the box. Select 1:1 ratio for characters. Hit enter, images will generate. Repeat this for all 4 characters. Now choose your favorite version of each character and upload them on the left side as reference subjects. Delete the previous prompt, go back to Grok and copy the first scene's image prompt. Paste it into Whisk. Make sure all 4 character references are selected. Set ratio to 9:16 for shorts. Hit enter, your image will create. Repeat this process for all 18 scenes. The image quality will be absolutely amazing. Now go to Meta AI. Click on the Vibes option. Click the plus button and upload your first image. Select video mode. Now go back to Grok and copy the first motion prompt. Paste it into Meta AI and hit enter. Your video clip will start generating. Repeat this process for all images. The results will blow your mind, completely free and high quality. Now generate all 18 clips. Open your video editor, Import all clips and your voiceover onto the timeline. Add smooth transitions between clips. Cartoon-style transitions work best. Add background music and lower its volume. Finally, click Export and download in the highest resolution. Repeat this process, stay consistent, and you can easily get millions of views and massive earnings. But remember, success comes with consistency and hard work. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like and subscribe to the channel.